Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to record your screen on OBS. If you didn't know, OBS is an open broadcaster service. Well, in fact, that's what it stands for, and it can be used for many things. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to record your screen. So, first thing you need to do is to install OBS if you haven't done that already, and then go through the setup process. After that, you need to click on the OBS logo and you should be greeted by this screen. Now, we're going to go and I'm going to teach you how to use the basic functions. Start recording is here. You wouldn't see that on my screen because I already am recording. However, on your screen, you should see start recording. And then when you do start recording like me, you've got the stop recording button if you want to click on that. Now, I'm going to show you how scenes work. A scene is basically another screen on OBS. So I'm going to go now into my scene one, which I have already created. To create one, you go into add and then you name it and click OK. However, I'm just going to use scene one, which I have already created. Now here you would normally not see anything. However, I have added my display capture so the video keeps working. However, it would be blank, and now here you can add from audio to browser tabs to colors. There are many things. Here is your audio. You've got the audio coming out of the computer, which you can mute or lower or make it higher. And then here you've got your mic or your headphones if you have used those. Now, one more thing I'm going to teach you today is how to take advantage of OBS's hotkeys. So, to do this, you need to go into settings and then click on hotkeys. After that, you can see that blank screen with, if you have any hotkeys, they would be there. For example, I have Control Alternate 1 to start recording and Control Alternate 2 to stop recording. For example, I can do Control Alternate 3 to start streaming and Control Alternate 4 to stop streaming. Okay, now we're going to exit out of this window and you should be back to your main screen. Unfortunately, that's all I can fit in today's video. However, be sure to check our Discord if you haven't already. Now, if you haven't, I will be pasting the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.